Alright, so right here we're taking this exhaust off. As you can see, these nuts are rusted on pretty bad. I'm not even going to try to take them off with a regular socket. So what I am going to use is an extractor socket. Do is you find a proper size. It's too small. I'll put a link down below for the kit. You don't want to go too big, you want to make sure it fits on just right. Alright, so try that one first. You hammer it on. A retarded air gun, we're going to have to use the breaker bar. There we go. Try to get as much bite as you can. Okay. Now we'll put our ratchet on it since we got that loose. That one was a perfect example. So look how rounded off this nut is. That was the best example right there I could show you. Rusted and rounded off, so I had to go to the next step down, hammer it on, and it came right off. Use this extractor set. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and please hit the notification tab down below. Thanks.